Hello and welcome back. Now I'm going to show you some cool tricks in Python. Okay, what are the rules of Python? So many people keep talking about the rules of Python, but let Python tell what are the rules of Python. Okay? So bring it from the Python. Okay, I want to see it inside the Python, where it is written that Python says that you should write shorter code or you should write readable code. Okay, where it is said in Python. I have seen it multiple places. Okay, but I want to see it inside Python. So just one thing you have to do is just search for CMD. Okay? So let me share my screen. Now you can see my screen. Okay, so now I will just use Windows S keyboard shortcut. Okay, or you can use Windows Q also. Okay, and you can search for CMD. Okay. Enter the button here, write Python. So this is Python command line actually. This is not ID, this is just Python command line. And you can use Python command line directly after installing Python. You can install Python, you can start using command line. Okay, so the first cool trick is import this. So it will tell you the rules of Python. Okay, Zen of Python by Tim Peters. Okay, Tim Peters has written these rules, but these are applicable for Python code. Okay, so whenever you write Python, you should try to keep in mind that you will follow these rules. Okay, it is not compulsory. Okay, it is like convention. It's like convention. How to write Python code? There is some convention. There are some rules. You can use these rules as needed. Okay, if you don't want these kind of rules, or if you don't care about them, that is fine. Okay, that is your choice. But here, beautiful is better than ugly. Okay, that is the first thing. Okay, then explicit is better than implicit. Simple is better than complex. Complex is better than complicated. Okay, flat is better than nested. Okay, flat is better than nested. So why, instead of nesting, you can use flat code. Sparse is better than dense. Readability counts. Okay, special cases aren't special enough to break the rules. Although practically beats purity. Okay, practicality beats purity. So there are many rules, you can read them and just enjoy. And I want to show you another cool trick. Okay, I don't want to show you only one trick. Okay, I want to show you another trick. So actually I want you to see what happens. Okay, import anti-gravity. Import anti-gravity. Okay, you can see what happens and tell me what happens. Okay, okay, so I will not show you. Okay, I will not show you what happens after importing anti-gravity. I will tell you what happens in this import this. Okay? Actually this is a package. Okay, so inside that package we have init.py. Init.py. Okay, that file contains the code to be directly executed when someone imports the package. Okay, when this package, okay, the package name is this. So when this package is imported by some code, it will automatically run the code of that init.py file. Okay, that's why you are seeing these beautiful rows. Beautiful is better than ugly. So you are seeing Zen of Python. Okay, Zen of Python by Tim. It is actually coming from the init.py file of that package. Okay, which package? This is the name of that package. So this is the name of that package. Okay, sounds cool. Okay, if you want to hear some cool tricks every day, just join my Facebook group. Link is available in the description, and you can always comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, so I will come to know how this worked for you and how you are enjoying this. If you are enjoying this, just let me know in the comment. So I will keep bringing more and more cool tricks every day for you. Bye. See you next time.